Looking to buy a cracking hot hatch but you're not a fan of a conventional hatchback shape? Well, maybe this is just what the doctor ordered. It's the Hyundai i30 N Fastback. This example is the limited edition model, with just 500 for Australia. It's based on the first gen fastback shape, but includes some of the latest tech and features and powertrain from the facelifted i30N and Kona N. The new look headlights at the front are a big giveaway, with arrow-style LED daytime running lights embedded within. There's also a new front grille with pointy ends, and a similar aero kit as seen on the first-gen fastback. However, most of the enhancements applied to the limited edition model are found under the skin. The suspension setup, for example, has been completely revised and now includes a wider front track for improved stability. The springs and dampers are also recalibrated to provide enhanced comfort and even more driver engagement. Like with most local Hyundai models, the suspension has been tuned for Australia. You might also notice these 19-inch forged alloy wheels also featured on the latest hatch. These reduce the unsprung mass by over 14 kilograms compared with the old cast alloy wheels. And they come wrapped in 235/35 Pirelli P0 tyres. Bigger brakes with red calipers hide within. Taking a look inside, front passengers are treated to the N-Lite sports seats, offering a weight saving of 2.2 kilograms compared with the standard items. Alcantara and leather help to grip you in place, and there's an illuminated N logo on the integrated headrests and performance blue stitching for that added touch. Most of the cabin layout is pretty much the same as the original fastback. It's a practical environment, with ergonomically positioned controls and decent storage. The limited edition does not come with a digital gauge cluster like the new i30 sedan, but the center dash houses the company's newer 10.25-inch infotainment touchscreen. Rear seat space is good for this class, and although there are no climate vents, you do get individual cup and bottle holders for the outer seats. The center hump on the floor is quite low, which means middle seat room is not too bad. Up at the back, the boot presents 436 litres of volume. That's about 50 more than what you get in the hatchback. A sturdy suspension tower brace runs across the back, but you can flip down the rear seats for more room. A space-saver spare wheel sits under the floor. As for the engine, this is the uprated 2-litre turbo from the latest i30N and Kona N. Key differences include a newer turbocharger and intercooler, and buyers can option for Hyundai's fantastic new 8-speed dual-clutch auto. So it's the first automatic N Fastback. Here we're sampling the manual. Out on the road, the suspension is definitely firmer than your average hatch, but it does seem a tiny bit more comfortable than the original N Fastback. Big bumps are absorbed more steadily, and drivers can select between 3 different damper modes to fine-tune the setup according to the conditions. Fortunately, the suspension tweaks have not removed the i30N's chuckable handling characteristics. This thing is an absolute blast, dancing down a set of twisty bends. An electronic limited slip differential ensures the power is put to good use too. This is what it goes like.